The US has flexed its muscles at North Korea by sending over its stealth jets to its southern counterpart. In a display of political allegiance, America has sent over 4 of its F-22 stealth fighter jets as a warning after North Korea's rocket launch last week. The act violated UN bans imposed on the country, but North Korea maintained they didn't defy world powers as it was just a satellite launch. Being able to evade radar detection, the Raptor jets are America's most advanced fighter jet. They're usually kept in the Japanese island of Okinawa, but in an act of South Korean allegiance, flew to an airbase just 45 miles from the border of North Korea.
This mission demonstrates the strength of the alliance between the United States and the Republic of Korea, and the resolve of both nations to maintain stability on the Korean Peninsula. The U.S. maintains an ironclad commitment to the defense of the Republic of Korea.
This isn't the first time the US has responded to the North with planes. Following a nuclear test by North Korea, they flew over a B-52 bomber at low level, a jet that's capable of carrying nuclear weapons. This most recent deployment comes ahead of talks between Seoul and Washington, which could result in the American missile defense system being deployed in South Korea.